Hey guys, Colby with Gibbs Outdoor and Recreation. We're checking out KZ RV, the Durango Gold 360 REQ. Right off the bat, they're giving you their 2 true year hitch to bumper warranty, approved for full time. And the great thing with this one, it's coming with the all-weather insulation package, the 4 seasons. RV Pro Best Show of 2023. Great thing with this trailer is you got the solid steps going into the entry door with the extended grab handle. Extended awning with LED lighting all the way down it. This one gives you a little bit of a outdoor kitchen with a flat top griddle. 6-point auto level, and we already got this bad boy leveled down, and this thing is leveled from front to back, from side to side. Great feature there. Push of a button, it'll level itself. Don't forget about your Zantrac solar system up on the roof. This thing's gonna keep you going, gonna keep your 12-volt systems charged, and you'll be able to run your hot water heater, your lights, a ton of different things inside this camper. The tires on this thing, a bigger fly tire, but we're also doing equal flex on the axles, and we're doing a Kurt Rotoflex hitch on the front, so you're gonna prevent this thing from chucking down the road. Another thing about this trailer, easy to pull, 12,000 pounds, so you're gonna be able to go down the road easily with any 3/4 ton truck with this. Lots of storage on the outside, and we have a TV for outdoor entertainment. Walking around the front, Durango's got their hard surface front cap that they're doing with LED lighting on the very top. Lots of outdoor storage underneath the tongue. Your auto level system is going to be located right here. Propane tanks and everything will be located right here as well. Both side by side, easy to access, easy to use. Now, with the Golds, they will put everything right here. So your hookup station's located here, exterior shower, everything for your hoses to come up right through here is easy to access. And they're doing a tankless hot water heater. Really great feature there. This one, it's backup camera prep, but you also prep for the blind spot cameras on the sides too, which would be located here on each side. Let's check out some features on the very back. We have frameless windows, and then we also have the ladder to the top. This one's also prepped with the tow package from KZ. So you have a 3,000 pound tow rating hitch, and then you got a 4-way hookup there in case you're gonna double haul, or you're gonna put a rack or any kind of extra accessories on the back for you. But I'm Colby with Gibbs Outdoor. If you have any questions, call us 254-296-8281. Ask for Jacob, Caleb, or Colby. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Caleb Gibbs with Gibbs Outdoor, and today we're going to be talking about the 360 REQ Durango Gold. Start off with, you have the soft close cabinets, close on their own, slam them as hard as you want, soft close. Second off, you have your dishwasher right below it, and on top of that you have tons of countertop space with an open sink, plenty of space to wash dishes in before you put it inside the dishwasher. Coming over here, you have a big old microwave that also doubles as a convection oven. Plenty of space, storage up top, on the sides, with a little rack on the spice rack on the side. Below it, you got your oven. You can fit a freaking turkey in there. Pretty cool. Right beside that, you have a mini trash can. Very awesome. Coming over here, you have your dining room table. You need eat your food, and if you walk back over here, you get this massive rear living. That's what the REQ stands for. Looking back at it, you have tons of space, seating for 6 people all around, with a 72-inch TV, heated and vibrating seats. Both of these come out, fold out. It's one of the coolest things you'll ever see. Tons of storage, tons of space and storage going inside of here. Massive fireplace. This thing will keep you warm all winter. Right above it, it's the big old speaker. Coming back around, we got this massive full-size fridge that has a water filter inside of it. Very cool in all the 23s. Put that back in. And then right below it, you've got your ice machine, ice scoop. Come back inside of here. Tons of space for your freezer storage. And let's go ahead and head up to the master bedroom. Stepping into this bathroom, we have a big old shower that I can actually stand in. I'm 6'2", and being able to actually stand is nice. I can rinse myself off. You have space for your soap. I can sit down while showering, very nice. It's got a big porcelain potty, decently sized. And then right inside of here, we have our Furrion water heater, and then tons of space and tons of storage. Stepping into the master bedroom, first thing you notice, tons of space, and that's due to the electric bed, meaning it'll slide up and slide back down at your leisure. Second thing you'll notice is the tons of space and tons of storage. Slide all the way back under the bed, plenty of storage here. Second cool thing, 30 clothes basket. Inside of here, washer and dryer hookup, also very cool. And then you have your full king bed. Up here, you have a TV that slides out and in, just like so. And then you have a big old fireplace that'll keep you warm all winter long. That's it for the 360 REQ Durango Gold Tour. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and thank y'all for watching. If you want, come visit us at Gibbs Outdoor, located in Waco.